in Thor Ragnarok, Hulk is going to be taking on Fenris Wolf. And I had a lot of speculation about this fight because you see him in the battle arena and you would expect him, at least I expected to see him fight a bunch of monsters in there. But you can obviously see that he's seen outside of the battle arena. You can see the gates. He's on Asgard. And I'm very interested to see how they set up this fight. But I have some ideas to how it might happen. So one scenario I thought of is that Hela just has the power to unleash Fenris Wolf wherever she wants, and that is why you can see Hulk and Thor and Valkyrie and Loki all standing off against Hela in part of the trailer, and you know she turns Asgard, the troops, into her army, and so I'm just guessing she will be able to unleash him wherever she wants, and that's how that fight happens between Hulk and Fenris Wolf. And as far as the fight actually goes, I think the way this fight would actually end is not how they're going to be able to end it in the MCU movie, just because in this universe, they're banking on a lot of kids being there, and the movies have not been rated R, so seeing a wolf who's a figure that a lot of people don't really think is a monster would really be disturbing, probably, or at least they would see it that way, and if Hulk were to go inside and rip it apart, which is how I think it would actually happen, that would be way too violent for an MCU movie. So after Hela unleashes Fenris Wolf on the Thor, I believe the way this fight will go is Hulk will obviously, they will jump at each other, Hulk will be holding his mouth apart, and ultimately they'll throw each other around. Fenris Wolf will probably bite Hulk in the back or the arm, and he will either kill him off the screen, you will not know what happens to him, or he'll either throw him off the waterfall or a cliff. That's the only way I feel like this could end, just because if any other way, it would be way too violent for the movie, and I believe it has a PG-13 rating, which is not, still wouldn't be fitting for an MCU movie. Let me know if you guys agree, disagree, and I'll have more versus videos up soon.